I call it the best sports drink.
Yeah.
Milk is my guarantee of health.
Milk? It should be hygienic.
3 glasses of milk a day provides all the calcium you need.
Better than any soft drink, anytime.
Milk isn't just for kids, you know.
I want to be strong.
For me, nutrition, purity, and
Milk? For thick, delicious girls.
Milk is life. Actually, to me it's everything.
Milk is one of the nature's best foodstuffs.
Much of the milk consumed in the emerging and developing markets are unprocessed and unpacked, or it's packed into pasteurized plastic pouches, which later is distributed at ambient temperatures or through poor cold chains. Add to this the risk of tampering, and you will understand that many people in these countries have not any possibility to buy high quality milk. The Tetrafino aseptic system was specially designed and developed to ensure that consumers in the emerging and developing markets have an availability of high quality UHT treated milk at an affordable price.
First and foremost, to the end consumer, Tetrafino aseptic system provides access to safe, hygienic, tamper-proof, good quality milk at an affordable price. It provides the dairy with an image and brand building addition to dairy's portfolio, because again, now dairy is able to provide a wide range of products, expand their distribution and access more consumers. And again, due to the climate conditions, we have to have a viable, low investment, affordable aseptic system for processing and packaging of liquid milk. The system as such consists of 3 parts. One is the processing equipment, which in this system is Tetratherm Aseptic Primo, designed specifically for emerging and developing markets to bring the investment down and at the same time to enable processing of milk with higher fat contents. Then we have the filling machine, TBA3 Tetrafino aseptic filling machine, which is a well-known, well-proven filling machine platform within Tetra Pak family of filling machines. The package is an aseptic package consisting of 6 layers, which ensure oxygen barrier and light barrier. In addition, they provide good print quality and print protection.
We are procuring about 5,50,000 liters of milk right now, and around the year we got the surplus of 1 lakh liters of milk. So on an average we are sending about 80 to 1 lakh liter for conversion. If we convert the milk, we lose heavily. In order to avoid that, we are going for this Tetrafino concept.
We have chosen Tetrafino aseptic as a concept because the Karnataka Milk Federation is procuring milk every year more than what we can sell. That means we are always have got surplus milk. We wanted to go for diversification. When we think of diversification, we should think of the right product. We should also think of the needs of the consumers. With this in background, we wanted to actually introduce the Tetrafino, which is more convenient, quality wise it is very good, and it is, in our experience, accepted by the consumers.
Andhra Pradesh Dairy Development Cooperative Federation, which is an organization of nearly 1 million farmers, has been the pioneer in dairy technology in the country. We've been in the field of UHT milk since 1986, and we're the first ones in the country to introduce Tetrafino technology for packing of milk. There is a consumer preference for this kind of product in Tetrafino packing because it is tamper-proof, because the quality of milk, because it's zero bacteria.
It's not that UHT milk has not been in this country before. It's been there for a very long time.
but the milk of the millennium is just born last year.
Ours is a developing country. The people are also getting developed. The consumers are also changing their lifestyles in their eating habits, in their drinking habits, in the habits of consuming different products. The people's income is also growing.
Today, consumer is the king.
Consumer is willing to switch over to a better product given a fair price and a chance. The consumer is increasingly aware that this milk is in tamper-proof international quality packing, and the quality of the milk is zero bacteria, and it's much better compared to ordinary pasteurized milk.
Good Life is a unique concept, excellent product in a tamper-proof packaging, zero bacteria, and at an affordable price, which gives you good life. What better can you ask for?
The quality of the Good Life is certainly better than the ordinary sachet or ordinary pouch, and more acceptable to the consumers, particularly those people who pick up the groceries once in 15 days or once in a month. People also looking for different packets. People are also looking for the products like this, where the shelf life is more and the quality is good and the price is affordable.
Number one is the best quality of the milk, and the consumers have accepted the product very well. Number two is that it's a aseptic milk and we can store for about 60 days. Number third is it is a cost wise compared to other Tetra Pak UHD milk, this is very cheap.
It is also convenient. The pricing has had the niche, and today the Tetra Fino packaging and Good Life milk makes it more value for money for the customer when compared to the pouch milk versus the brick.
We have started selling this pasteurized milk from day one, but from last 1 year we have started this Suprabhatam also, which is doing quite well. Basically, the customers are happy with the quality, and the cost is also the main reason behind doing it well.
For the retailer, the small shop owner, the distributor, Tetra Fino Aseptic also offers several benefits. The most important benefit is that they can distribute and store product at ambient temperatures, which means they need no refrigeration, and therefore they have a product available for the consumers at all times of the day.
Main reason refrigeration is not temporary. It takes 2 months for this expiry date, and the milk is thick, fine, and they don't have any problem of using this milk.
रेट भी कम है, लाइफ भी है उसको. दूसरा दूध तो कहाँ है साहब, लाइफ ने कुछ नहीं, एक दिन में यूज़ करना, वो मॉर्निंग मिल्क वो रहते हैं. इसका जो लाइफ है ना सब 60 डेज लाइफ है, और फ्रिज की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. इसका सेल भी अच्छा है ना, जो भी पूछ रहे हैं यही पूछ.
इसमें कुछ फ्रिज की ज़रूरत नहीं है साहब, ये कैसा भी बाजू में अलग रख सकते हैं इसको.
इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्जेस बहुत बढ़ गए ना, इसके लिए ये तो इजी है, अपने को कभी भी बाहर रख के बेच सकते हैं. इसका स्केल भी बढ़ रहा.
This is very convenient, and whenever we want we can give a call and get it. Any customer comes in a bulk requirement, we can obviously give them whatever the quantity they want at the right time.
ये तो इजी है, सब दिन में आता लेके बाहर रख सकते, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. जैसे लीकेज का प्रॉब्लम तो कुछ भी नहीं है. सब
99 September we introduced Vijaya Suprabhatam. In a matter of 1 year, the tremendous consumer preference which this product has gained in the state and outside is indeed remarkable.
Starting when we have started, we have to sell 5 cases a weekly. Now it's up to 25 to 30 cases a week.
पहले 10 पैकेट्स लेते थे, अभी दिन दिन बढ़ाते बढ़ाते अभी तो 60-70 पैकेट्स तक रख रहे.
More than 60%, 65% sale is coming from Suprabhatam now, which is a major share in that category.
Ever since we have introduced Tetra Fino, the market is responding very positively on this pack, because it is the milk for all time and any time, anywhere. It is the milk of convenience, and it is the value for the money. That's why the Tetra Fino definitely is going to increase in its markets, in building the volumes also.
What is it that has worked? It's the branding, positioning, and the pricing. More important, availability. The price is more affordable now, and it's available at lot more outlets. In Bangalore itself, The product is put across over 3,000 outlets.
I feel obviously there's lot of other people who may not be storing this will be comfortable storing this pack when they come to know about the positive points about this pack.
We would also be looking at putting a home delivery system in place where a customer need not carry voluminous packages from a store but can have it delivered at his convenience at his doorstep.
Direct sales are helping us on several levels. One, this is a channel that very intensively penetrates and approaches the consumer. We communicate directly, so we are at the same time doing also promotion for the product.
हम ये डेली मॉर्निंग में एवरी घर में भी एक पैक 1 लीटर के हिसाब से डेली सप्लाई कर रहे हैं. 2-3 कस्टमर्स है वैसे भी रात में अभी रेगुलर.
अपने को मंथली में 100 पैकेट्स का सेल है. बोले तो थोड़ा थोड़ा इम्प्रूव हो रहा. अभी अपनी डिलीवरी का भी लगा लिए, यहाँ डिलीवरी भी कर रहे. अभी 10 कस्टमर्स है अपने को, मॉर्निंग डिलीवरी भी कर रहे और रिस्पांस भी बढ़ रहे.
The first Tetrafino aseptic filling machine was installed in 1996 in Egypt. India followed a second market to launch Tetrafino aseptic in 1997. Over the last few years, we have enjoyed quite strong growth all over the world. So by the end of the year 2000, we have around 90 machines installed on 4 continents around the globe: Latin America, Eastern Europe, Africa, and Asia, which is our biggest market.
And we can see that within just a few years of its introduction, that the Tetrafino aseptic system has been launched in several countries around the world and has proven to function very successfully and been appreciated by the consumers.
The price wise it is comfortable and convenient. The quality wise it is better than the sachet. The consumers, since they are also becoming quality conscious, there will be definitely good demand for the product like Good Life.
As per our projection, by the year ending 2004 and 5, we are projected to achieve about 80,000 on average per day.
In fact, we are selling about 22,000 liters of Tetrafino today per day. Looking to the growth from the last 1 year, definitely it has got good scope. We should go for a diversification of the products, as there is scope and also need as we see the pulse of the consumers. I see there is a good future for this product.
In recognition of its role and potential, India has the distinction of being Tetra Pak's center of expertise for Tetrafino aseptic. Our packaging material plant in Takve near Pune is currently the only production plant for Tetrafino aseptic packaging material globally. And this means that we export the Tetrafino aseptic material to several countries around the globe from our factory here in India. And for us, year 2000 has been a year of learning and consolidation, but I'm sure and confident that year 2001 will be a year of growth for Tetrafino aseptic system in India.
Access to safe, hygienic, nutritional, tamper-proof milk at an affordable price to the end consumers. And yes, the consumers, they do deserve it.
No fridge, no problem.
And guess what? I open it, roll it, and keep it in any corner of my fridge. Round the clock availability, tamper-proof pack. No need to compromise now.